Here's a way that you can use writing feedback, where you can create these little cards where your students might make certain misconceptions. So you're going to think ahead to a topic, and then you can add those misconceptions right on these little cards. As students are working, I like to add this document right into Kami. And so again, I create first in Google Slides, write out all of the different misconceptions, and then I take this over to Kami and I assign it to each of my students. Then I can come in here and I can use this markup tool, and I'm able to highlight what I want my students to focus on. So if they need to work on something, I'm able to highlight that area that I want them to focus on. And those are the three cards that they're going to explore and get scaffolds and resources for to make their feedback or their writing even stronger. I don't just use this for writing though. I use this for math or any other subjects. Again, I just kind of think about what is those misconceptions that students might have, or maybe even what extensions might students need. So if again, for example, it's math, I might be dealing with fractions. So sometimes students will forget to change that denominator. There might be a calculation error. There might be simplifying issues. Or students might need an extension. So right there, I could lay all of those out, provide some resources. And as my students are working, I can highlight to show them which resource they need to use within their learning. Sometimes, again, I will add the document on top of here so that way they can work. And then on page 2, this feedback key would be there so I can come in, highlight, and then the students have it all in one place to continue working. And with ClassView, I can see all of my students working at the exact same time. So if I was to assign this in my learning management system, I can come in and then I can go to classwork, go to that assignment, view instructions, student work, and I'm able to click on class view where I can see every single student's work and providing that feedback in real time. So that way they have the scaffolds and the resources and the activities that they need in order to be successful.